A dog's fear of fireworks does not necessarily impact their ability to be a good security dog. A dog's effectiveness as a security dog depends on various factors such as their breed, temperament, training, and socialization. Fear of fireworks is a specific fear response and does not define the overall capabilities of a dog. Many security dogs undergo specialized training to enhance their natural instincts, intelligence, and protective abilities. This training focuses on obedience, alertness, aggression control, and controlled response to potential threats. The goal is to have a well-trained and reliable dog that can assess and respond appropriately to security situations. If a dog is scared of fireworks, it's important to address and manage their fear to ensure their overall well-being. This can be done through desensitization and counter-conditioning techniques, along with providing a safe and secure environment during fireworks events. By helping a fearful dog overcome their fear, they can still fulfill their potential as a security dog if they possess the necessary qualities and receive proper training.